Good morning, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. I think it's time for me to go ahead and try to get some carrots planted, guys. And in my previous video, you might have seen that I'm going to plant them along this north wall in the small high tunnel. It is a raised bed. It's probably about a foot high, has some really good soil in it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna broadcast spread our seeds, and then I'm gonna cover it up a little bit with some of that soil, that potting pro mix that we got yesterday. So what I've done is I've gone in and I've wet down the soil very well because I want the seeds to stick and I want them to get some good water. And I'm just going to take and broadcast spread these carrots and hope that we get some. We're going to be planting several packs of the Imperator carrot. We're also going to be planting some of the little fingers, and we're going to be planting, I have one pack of the rainbow blend that I'm going to kind of isolate off to the side and go ahead and try to get these. And then one of our favorites are the Danvers carrots, and we're going to go ahead and get these going. So this is the rainbow mix, and I'm going to put it on the west end of this raised bed, so I know. So broadcast spreading, guys, simply means you just sprinkle them out a little bit. And so I'm going to top this off with some of that soil, and then we're going to water it down again, and then we'll have to come out here and water this 2 or 3 times a day, because you want to make sure and keep this damp until you start to see sprouts. Next, I'm going to scatter some of the Imperator, and these, I have quite a few seeds here, so it should go a long way. Next are our Danvers. Now, we've had very good luck with the Danvers, guys, in containers. So this is going to take up probably the majority of this bed, and then I'll have room for the little fingers. I have my seeds scattered. Now, some people take cardboard or garden fabric and put on top of it to keep it damp. I'm going to throw some of this soil, this Pro Mix soil, on top, and I'm going to wet it down really, really good and continue to do that until I see germination. This soil is a very fine, nice mixture. All right, I feel like I got it covered very well with this compost, this nice organic, rich compost. Now it's time to spritz it down again and keep it damp until we start to see germination. And now we wait. So we got it watered in real good. I'll come out in a couple of hours and I'll water it again. And then I'll do it in the afternoon and I'll do it at night. Now I think that these cool nights that we're getting, and it looks like we're staying in the 70s at night, which is very, very good for everything. Even though we're getting hot during the day, I think it's really going to help these germinate and come on up. Now you want to succession plant your carrots once every 3 weeks. So I have a couple of packages left, and I'm going to order me some more and get some more on order and get them coming in, because this is not the only place I intend to grow carrots. It's just I wanted to get some started now. So stay tuned, guys. Keep watching and we'll see how these do in these maybe 7 to 10 days of heat. Hopefully it's going to go by the wayside pretty quick. We're counting on it. We're counting on it. You know that we've had a rough summer and really hadn't been able to get anything going. We do have some seed starts for fall, so we are starting to count on these cooler nights at least, guys, and hopefully cooler days to come. So take care. God bless. We'll keep you posted. See you soon.